everybody. Now we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. This is question number 1.6 from first chapter, and the question is the charge entering a certain element is shown in figure. Find the current at t equal to 1 milliseconds, t equal to 6 milliseconds, and t equal to 10 milliseconds. So here given the figure which shows the plot of charge versus time. The charge is taken along y-axis in millicoulombs and the time is shown along x-axis in milliseconds. Now we try to understand the figure. The charge increases from 0 to 30 millicoulombs during the time period 0 to 2 milliseconds. Then from 2 to 8 milliseconds, the charge is maintained constant at 30 millicoulombs only. During 8 to 12 milliseconds, the charge decreases from 30 millicoulomb to 0. Okay, now we solve the problem. For this, we should know the relationship between this current and charge. And what is the relationship between this current and charge? Current is I and charge is Q. The relationship is I is equal to dq by dt. That is the rate of change of charge. So at t is equal to 1 milliseconds, right? So I is equal to dq by dt. So how much change in this charge during that time period? That means it comes under this first spell, right? During this 0 to 2 milliseconds. In that, this 1 milliseconds actually lies. Okay. So we can take it as, so dq is, it changes from 0 to 30. So it is 30 minus 0 millicoulomb. So it is 10 power minus 3 divided by, what is the time change? It is changing from 0 to 2. That means 2 minus 0, the changeover, right? Multiplied by 10 power minus 3 since it is given in milliseconds, right? So that is equal to 30 divided by 2. So this is equal to 15 amps. This is the answer. The current is 15 amps at 1 milliseconds. Now we go for the second case. The second case is t is equal to 6 milliamps. So that t equal to 6 milliamps lies in the second spell, that is 2 to 8, right? So for that again I is equal to dq by dt. So what is the changeover for that? Q is maintained constant. So it is 30 minus 30 during that period divided by time is 8 minus 2, right? In milliseconds, so it is 10 power minus 3 seconds. Anyhow, this is 0. So 0 by anything is 0. So it is equal to 0. I is equal to 0 amps. This is the second answer. Then you go for this third case, t equal to 10 milliseconds. Actually, this is for t equal to 6 milliseconds, right? So for that case, what is the change for this? dq by dt, that current I. So during this period, the charge changes from 30 millicoulombs to 0. So how do you write? 0 minus 30 millicoulombs. So it is 10 power minus 3 coulombs divided by, what is the change in time? Change in time is, because the 10 milliseconds lies during this period, right? So it is 12 minus 8 into 10 power minus 3 seconds. So that is equal to minus 30 divided by 4. So I is equal to minus 7.5 amps. So this is the answer for the third case. Okay. Thank you. Hope you have understood.